Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We love Indian food. It's packed with serious flavor. Many dishes are spicy while others are just, well, very tasty. Like any cuisine, Indian has their own sauces and condiments to pair with their food. There are chutneys, pans, raitas, katsundi, pakora, and others, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my tamarind sauce. This Indian sauce staple is incredibly easy to make. Sweet and sour, with a slight spiciness in the background, this condiment goes so well with samosas or any other fried food. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add water and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add a couple tablespoons of tamarind paste. This is what I use, and it can be easily found at any Asian or Indian supermarket. We'll give a good whisk until the paste is blended before adding brown sugar, which will take the edge off the sourness of the tamarind. Once again, we'll whisk until nicely dissolved. Then we'll add ground cumin, some ground ginger, of course there's garam masala in it, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and the same with ground sea salt. We'll blend the ingredients very well, bring the mixture back to a simmer before reducing the heat to medium-low. We'll simmer gently for 15 minutes or until the consistency turns slightly syrupy. Then we'll remove from the heat to cool off. Keep in mind that the sauce will thicken as it gets to room temperature. And my friends, this is our tamarind sauce. Easy to make. This is a great sauce to pair with your favorite Indian finger food. With a nice sweet and sour taste and a tad of spiciness, this is a condiment that you should certainly have in your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!